Well, but it's been a great experience out there, and the course is in good shape. So
It was a lot of fun. I've never done it before, but the alternate shot was definitely challenging.
Yeah, I get to caddy for him, and that's a lot of fun.
To play here is just beautiful because the course is very amazing.
It's great. I love it. And we got a free rangefinder.
I had a great time, great course, great atmosphere.
And the weather's pretty good. Not too warm, not too cold. Perfect.
All right, we're here with our third annual Hurricane Cup champions, the International Wildcard number 2 team. And fresh off of a playoff win here, we have Arden Blake, our captain. And Arden, getting right into it, you guys are down 6 shots coming into today. What did you think that you had to do today to capture the victory from Team Florida?
We just decided to go play our game and see what happens.
All right. And you were in a playoff today against Amanda from Team Florida, and it was pretty exciting. You had, it feels like, almost 200 people out there watching. What was your game plan, and what kind of pressure were you feeling out there?
I was definitely feeling the pressure. I was just trying to go make a birdie and take the cup home for my team.
All right, great. And speaking of the team here, what parts of your game was working real well for you today?
I know my drive was working good, and I was hitting straight down the fairway, so that set me up for a good score.
And Chloe, what did you feel that you had to do for the team to ultimately capture the victory?
I had to eliminate the big numbers and just hit my drive down the fairway and not go by the hole.
All right. What was your favorite part of the format this weekend?
I really liked playing alternate shot and playing with I played with Edward, and we just had a really fun time just switching shots. I haven't really done that before, so it was a lot of fun.
All right, great. And Edward, you play here often, so how did you use your home course advantage here this weekend for your team?
Well, kind of like where some holes where you hit a shot some places and it's not the where you're supposed to hit it exactly to play the course correctly.
Okay, very good. And we have our 2 French participants from back here. You guys came a long way to play in this event. Tell us what you enjoyed the most from the event this weekend.
To play in team, it was very beautiful, and we tried to do our best to to make a great score for the team.
All right, great. And last but not least, what was some of the best parts of your game this weekend that really helped you contribute to your team this weekend?
Probably my drives, approach shots. Really set me up to make up and downs. And that's about it.
All right, great. Well, that's a wrap here from Sea Island Resort. I want to thank everybody for coming out here and supporting the 3rd Annual Hurricane Cup. Especially special shout-out goes to the Sea Island golf staff for having us here. We look forward to seeing everybody next year right back here for our 4th Annual Hurricane Cup. Thank you very much.